Hey, there you go.
Yeah, like luggage on an airplane these days.
We got lots of good stuff with the kids today, though. We've got the backpack program, and the school program, and the health checks.
Yep.
But now we've got the wet weather coming.
Man, it looks that way for the next several days. By the way, you know, in all the time I've worked here, I think this is the first time that you and I have actually sat next to each other on set. It's kind of neat.
It's really good.
Good to have you here.
But you bring us bad tidings with the rain.
Well, yeah, no, yes and no. I mean, some parts of Florida really are going to get hit hard. I mean, they could get 10, 12 inches of rainfall in the next several days. So flooding is going to be a major issue for a lot of parts of the state of Florida. But for us, I think, you know, we're looking at periods of some heavy rainfall. We're looking at kind of an enhanced rainfall pattern over the next several days. But I don't think there'll be anything that we can't deal with. No severe weather forecast for us, I don't think. We're looking at a high today of 90 and a low of 77. You know, not too far off from where we normally would find ourselves, though. Honestly, the average seems to now be about 92 or 93, not 90. But the long-term average still remains at 90. So we were spot on the money there this morning. Looking at current temperatures that are still kind of on the warm side, muggy side out there, 85 degrees, the air temperature, dew point 73. We have this westerly component to the wind coming in at about 10, which is helping to just bring those showers onshore over many places on the west coast of the state of Florida. For us, we haven't seen all that much. That said, Hardee and DeSoto has seen some pretty big storms today, so you'll probably take issue with me there if you're living in Arcadia or Wauchula or Ona. 84 degrees Wauchula. Arcadia at 84, 84 Myakka, 84 Parrish, Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch, 85 Sarasota, 84 Venice, Inglewood, Northport, 82 Longboat Key. So some pretty heavy rainfall in parts of North Florida, and a very thick tropical environment exists just offshore. That's going to stick around. That's going to be there for several more days. And locally, yeah, we got some showers on the boards here. We have a couple near Punta Gorda, one that's inland, really in very rural areas, moving into Highlands County now, or rather in Hardee County now. We also have a big storm that's moving just toward Northport. All of these storms really not producing any torrential rainfall at this hour. We do have a chance of rainfall during the overnight. You noticed all that just sitting offshore. I think some of that is going to work its way a little bit closer to us with time as we head into the next 24. High pressure located just to our south directs our winds out of the west. That's going to be the name of the game for the next several days. The thing we're going to watch is whether or not we get a little area of low pressure develop here. A little area of low pressure plus a trough of low pressure sinking southward could kind of team up together to produce really heavy rainfall and maybe send some of it a little bit further to the south in our area. I think tomorrow we have a better chance at seeing some heavier rainfall around. And by the way, that low, that surface low that develops, could become tropical. Hurricane Center gives it about a 20% chance of perhaps developing into a depression. It's so close to shore and will be moving onshore, so there's really not much of a chance of any kind of development into a large windstorm or anything like that. But it would help enhance an already plentiful rainfall precipitation forecast. So we'll watch for that. Several strong storms possible, wet days ahead, and possible tropical development are the name of the game for us. For boaters, we'll watch for a wind out of the southwest at about 15 continuing. And over the next several days, excellent chances of rain. Total rainfall by Wednesday, we could get 4 inches of rain. That's certainly not out of the question. Back to you, Alex.